Good morning, evening, afternoon, everybody. Today, it's the Strutbrace on the VRS that I said about the other day. We finally managed to get around to do it. I have already half started the job. It's pretty simple. Buy yourself a Strutbrace off of either me or off of someone that's got an Audi TT Mk1. Put said Strutbrace on the car like so. It's pretty simple, pretty straightforward. Like this, like that. And then what you got to do is come round to the side, put the brace on the car, mark the points for the holes, rah-de-rah, simple. Jack it up, because you are going to have to take the wheels off. So obviously, jack it up, put the stands in a suitable place. We can fucking see, because it's not focusing. But on the subframe is a suitable place. And then take the wheels off, and I will be back in a second. Right, so everything's all ready. I'm going to drop the top mounts off, and then Julie, I'll just put the brace on. Everything's going to be pushed in. So we started with 4.5mm drill bit, that guy just missed second gear. Fucking absolute fucking mint. So we started off with 4.5mm drill bit to do the pilot hole. Now we're going up to a 10mm drill bit. We use an M10x40 A2 stainless bolts with stainless washers and stainless nylock nuts. Because they're M10s and you are drilling a 10mm hole, you need a 10.5mm drill bit because you need to go half over to allow the thread to get in the hole. And with that, let's continue on the drilling. 2 holes with our 10mm drill bit. Just going to test the brace in place. Each corner bolt, just make sure it sits in the right place, and then we're going to drill the rest of that. Fuck it. Right, so 2 bolts are in. I'm going to leave the bolts in to drill the next ones out, just to make sure that the strut brace doesn't move and the bolt holes don't sort of appear somewhere where they shouldn't do. Just to try and keep it square, really. I'm not going to bother putting the nuts and the washers on because the bolts should keep it in place. Pretty self-explanatory, pretty straightforward. Positions are marked, we take the bolts out. I've guide drilled the holes, so at least the drill bit's going to line up in the same place. That's the theory anyway, but see if theoretical turns into reality.